Today we're going to do an Evac and Recharge on a 98 Audi A4's AC system. First thing we're going to do is turn the machine on. The machine's coming on. And then the next thing we want to do is hook up our gauges. You've got a low side and a high side. And you can't mess them up because they're two different sizes. Just walk over here, get some more hose real quick. Just like an air hose, it's got a quick connect. Squeeze it, push it on. It's not coming off. Do the same thing with the high side. Snap it on. It's not coming off. Then you want to tighten this down, but you don't want to go too tight. Just snug. Once you got your lines hooked up, you can head back to the machine and you can start with the Evac. Now to do that, we're just going to go right here and hit the recycle button. We're going to hit yes, we're going to continue, start, and what it's going to do now is going to be pulling all the refrigerant out of the system. And this roughly takes 5 to 10 minutes, and it's going to let us know how much refrigerant is in that particular system, and then we can check that against the specification to see if that's low or high, and it'll be a good indication of whether or not the AC's performance, if it's not working good. So once you recycled all your refrigerant, what you want to do next is you want to pull a vacuum. And when you pull a vacuum, what that does is it pulls a load on the system negatively, and it's also a good indicator for whether or not you have a leak. Now, once you pull the vacuum, you could be ready to put more refrigerant in the system. You always want to check against the manufacturer's specification on how much refrigerant is supposed to be in that system, and then obviously you want to put that amount back in it. We're going to stop with the Evac, and we're going to take a look at what it looks like to pull a vacuum with the gauges. Alright, now we're going to pull a vacuum. So we're not going to go for 30 minutes, we're going to go for 5 minutes. Sure, we'll perform a leak test. And what you're going to see is the gauges are actually going to go to a negative pressure. 0 here indicates no pressure, and we're going into negative pressure. So it would be like if you were at the end of the hose sucking on it. So you're going to see even the high side's pulling a vacuum. And when you're pulling a vacuum, like I said, this is also a good indicator for whether or not you may have a potential leak. So we're going to stop the vacuum because it's already pulling pressures. So now we're going to put some Freon in the system. And it looks like we've got 33 ounces, but I'm just going to put 1. You got two different oil types, PAG and PO. You want to check against your manufacturer's specification for which one is for your vehicle. This one is going to be PAG, so we're going to hit PAG. And it is best to charge it on the low side. This one has the option for both, but I'm going to stick with low. It's holding a vacuum right now, so we know that there won't be any leaks, or at least there probably won't be any leaks. It's purging. Purging is always good. So now that we got some Freon back in the system, we've already pulled all the Freon out. We've checked how much Freon came out, and then we put some back in. That's all there is to Evac and Recharge.